Hello children, welcome in the next video of EVS 2 lesson number 1 Maharashtra before Shivaji. In previous video we have learned about the celebration of Shivaji Jayanti and the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived. We also seen the two rulers who had divided the Maharashtra among themselves and were liberal in their outlook. Today, the people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festival or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpande who owned Jagirs. They loved only their Jagirs and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. Today, we are going to learn how these rulers harass and people suffer due to their fighting among themselves. The people are not able to celebrate their festivals. As I said earlier, that Sultan Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, they have divided among themselves Maharashtra in two parts, and they are fighting among themselves to dominate each other. In this, what is happening? The people of Maharashtra, they are not able to celebrate their festival. They are not getting enough food to eat. They were not able to worship their God freely. All over the Maharashtra, there was injustice. The people are not safe even at their home. Not only these sultans. See, if the sultans are there, already they are making mess in the life of the people. But not only sultan, there were many Watandars like Deshmukh and Deshpandis who owned Jagirs, and they love only their Jagirs. They were selfish. They were least bothered about their country and always fight among them. As a result, people of Maharashtra face many problems like mental distress. People were tired of this injustice, unjust treatment, and were very unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. Now let us see the explanation. When Shivaji Maharaj saw all this, the people are suffering due to these Watandars as well as these two sultans. They are not safe at their home. Their life is mess. So he undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness in the life of the people. But before that, he thought first he will find out the Vatandas who are creating misery to the people and then use them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He also fought against the power that oppressed the people and he defeated them. Then he established Hindavi Swaraj, which is totally based on justice, fair play, equal treatment to all people. There is no discrimination on the name of caste, creed, gender, or religion. He honored the saints of all religion. Children, I think you will be inspired by these noble deeds of Shivaji and try to follow in your life. During a period of about 3 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. We shall see in the next chapter what these saints did. See, we have seen how what problems Shivaji has seen and he has established Swaraj. But before, during a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji, many saints were born in Maharashtra and their work helped Shivaji Maharaj. How their work helped in Shivaji Maharaj in establishing Swaraj? Because whatever their teachings are, whatever they teaching they spread among the people, that help out Shivaji in establishing the Swaraj. Because from their teaching, somewhere people mindset get changed. They got the patience to face the problem and to choose the right path to move. So they have chosen Shivaji, and Shivaji also learned so many good things from their teachings, because in their teaching you will see they spread the message that not to distinguish people on the name of caste, on the name of religion, on the name of gender. They always used to say that all people are equal. Nobody is low and nobody is high. So I think you have understood Maharashtra before Shivaji very well. And one activity I am going to give you as an assignment. You have to listen any historical song or pavada, very short, not big, and you have to learn. And I am going to listen from you whenever you are going to come back in school. So love you all, children. Thank you. God bless you all.